Tired of death by PowerPoint? Let's ditch the linear and dive into the dynamic world of Prezi, where presentations zoom on and captivate. First, head over to Prezi.com and create an account. They have free and paid options, so choose what fits your needs. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard. Click the Create from Template button to start a new presentation. Browse through the impressive library of templates. Pick one that aligns with your presentation's theme and your personal style. Don't worry, you can customize it later. I'm going to select this marketing presentation template. Now, you're in the Prezi editor. Notice the topics and subtopics laid out visually. This is your presentation structure. Double-click on a topic to zoom in and start adding your content. See these text boxes and image placeholders. Simply click to edit and replace them with your own information and visuals. Keep it concise and visually appealing. Want to change the presentation flow? No problem. Use the Path editor on the left to reorder your topics and subtopics. Just drag and drop to rearrange the journey. To really spice things up, use the Insert menu. Add images, videos, animations, and even interactive elements to keep your audience engaged. Search for relevant visuals in the Prezi image library. And that's it. Practice your presentation and watch how Prezi's zooming interface transforms your message into a memorable experience. Ditch the slides, embrace the zoom, and captivate your audience.